Happy Sunday everyone. So, dugay-dugay na sa to. Wala na ka ko upload. So, here for the request of someone. Hope kanay maka-help ni sa iya. I'm not sure if Bisaya siya or Tagalog. But anyways, I will try mag-Tagalog. Lisod kay mag-Tagalog man. But for today, ang atong topic is painting. Painting sa ta. So here, so naka-example diri nga wall. Karong gikoloran og green and then blue ang akong gikolor sa door. Sa window kaning murag but sa nga color murag orange murag pink. So for example, ang atong length dinhi nga wall kani kataasa is 5 meters and ang atong height gani kataasa is 3 meters. So gi-prepare na nako daan diri ang on table para input na lang nato. So kung ibutang diri is ang unit na to nga gamiton kay meter. So whole area ani, and then area to be subtracted ang mga opening dili siya mapintalan kay open man siya or lahi ang imong or dili siya ni diha og pintal o MG na Bisaya ko. So we need this whole area and then area to be subtracted, all openings or openings that are not, that paints are not needed. And then net area. Si net area is ang whole area minus area to be subtracted. So mo na ang net. So meters atong gamit. We use meters. So length. Say kurang i-link diri ha. Pero pwede ra gyud na niya i-type ana ba. Pero kay nakuan man siya, so ako sang i-set. I-set sana ko siya as numbers. Okay. So 5 meters then ang height nato kay si 3 meters. Pwede ra na niya i-diretso type guys, pero ako nang gi-link. Try na ko link diri. So units is how many, or units is number of the same or similar wall, similar dimension nga wall. Okay, so for this example isa ra, or example lagi isa na lang atong, let's say this is just one wall, so one lang muna, just an example. So then gross area is just the product of these units, ilang wall yung need na sa whole area, and then times the height times the length. So the area is 15 square meter. So areas to be subtracted, since isa lang yung wall natin, so iyan lang po. So you can add this here, the rest of the walls na kailangan yung i-paint. And then area to be subtracted with, let's see, for doors. Say, lalagyan ko lang ng description. Say, openings there. And then, I'll say door. And then window. So, for door opening, let us say the width of this door is 0.9. 0.90 with meters, and then the height is 2.10 meters. So ilang doors? So for our example, isa lang po sa wall na to. Okay, so if this door of the same dimension, what if may door pa dito banda, or marami pang door dito sa wall na to kasi malaki? So you can use 2, or you can just count of the same dimension So the width is also 0.90 meters and 2.10 meters na doors. So yun yung i-count nyo. So hindi nyo pwedeng i-count na 2 kung yung isang door is 0.8 saka 2.1. Okay, ibang door na naman to. So another count na naman. So yan po. So for example, this is just one. Sa window, for our window here, let us say this width here is 1.5. Let us just say 1.5, okay? This is an example. And this height here is 1.2. Okay, and ilang window ba? Since the width we use is from here to here, so we can count this as 2. So we just count this as 1. Okay, unless you count this here. So if this is the width you use, example of this is what if 0.8. So if 0.8, if that is 0.8, then 1.2, so 2 windows, okay? So you can say 2 windows, right? Okay, so yan na lang po. Gagawin ko na lang. And then, area. So area. Yung area is just the product of this. Yun. Yun, ito po yung gagawin nyo sa Excel. Input nyo po. Lagay nyo po dun sa cell kung saan nyo po gusto yung product na ma-locate. So, here, gusto ko dito ilagay yung product. Dito. So, enter nyo po yung equal sign. Then, put the cursor in this units. Then, times, height. Click nyo yan. And then, times. And then, the width. Click nyo. Okay. So, that's the product of the door. So I can just drag it here or copy paste. Oh, it will calculate already. So ito po yung sa window natin. So for the net area, we can use it as gross area minus area ng openings. Okay? So as you can see, nagiging negative kasi dito siya. Wala namang nakalagay dito. And it's okay because it will correct anyway. So for this, I can assume here, so pwede kong gawan dito na total area. Net area, I mean, net area equals, so just the sum of this equals sum, and then click here and drag down up until the here and then close parenthesis, or you can just drag it from there to here and then alt equals. So yun po yung net area natin. And then for this, so I will just link it here, 11 point square meter, and then sides. So sides is yung sides ng wall na i-paint nyo. So for this example, what if yung kabila, di ba, example for this is the exterior, excuse me, it's the exterior wall. So sa labas na wall nyo to makikita. Imagine na lang. So, kung gusto nyo i-paint din dun sa loob, kung nandun kayo sa loob, so gusto nyo ding i-paint dun, so 2 sides gamitin nyo. Okay, 2 sides. That's not meter. That's number. 2 sides. Yun po yung ibig sabihin. Hindi, example, this is the right. Let me draw an example here. Example, this is your example, this is the floor plan of your house. So, itong side na to, here, I mean, here to here, this is it. This is that wall we mean. Okay? Ito po yung ibig sabihin natin na wall na to. Itong side na to. Floor plan to ha. If this example is a floor plan. Example po natin na floor plan to. So, ito yung side na to. This here. Okay. I will draw something. Let me draw. So, ito po na side. So, this here. Ang tuwid-tuwid naman. So, yun po. So, itong side lang na to. So, what I mean by this side and this side, is kung i-paint nyo dito sa labas, that's one side. And if i-paint nyo dito sa loob, kung nasa loob kayo ng bahay, kung dito na side sa wall na to, it's two sides, okay? I'm not talking about this wall, okay? I'm just talking about this wall. Okay. So kung identical naman, kung this wall and this wall, the left and right wall is the same. Okay, the same yung ano niya, yung dimension, similar talaga sila. So you can count sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if pareho talaga sila na may ano, kasi net na yung ginagamit natin. So kung pareho sila ng window, pareho ng number of windows, pareho talaga, parang naka-mirror lang talaga. So you can count it as 1 sa exterior, then 2 sa interior, another interior, so 3. So another sa exterior is 4. So dalawang wall, 4 na sides. Okay? Dito, yung ibig sabihin natin na units is the number of wall. Okay? Yun po yun. And dito, the side is hindi po yung number of wall. So sa wall, itong is one wall, two sides, okay, from the outside or the exterior and the interior. So 2. Okay? Sides na lang nilagay ko dyan. The number of sides, I mean. Total area. So the total area is how many sides you wanna paint, okay, times the net area from here. Okay, net area. So this is not, actually, this is not a square meter. That's wrong, guys. That's square meter. Ano ko na lang? This is square meter. Okay, yun po yung total area na gusto nating i-paint for this example. Oh my God. Sorry. Napindot ko yung anime. Yun. Then the paint coverage. Paint coverage. So yung paint coverage, you can check, for example, you buy paint in gallon. No? So minsan naman yung coverage or maybe always, that nandyan talaga sa ano ba, wrap ng paint or sa label ng paint nakalagay yung paint coverage. So how many gallons per square meter? So guys, balik tayo kasi umulan kanina. Ang ingay po sa labas. Ngayon maingay din naman mga manok ng aming kapitbahay. So here, balik tayo dito sa total area. Sides times the net area. Ito po yung 22.38 square meter. Ang kabuuan na po na ipipaint po natin. This side and the other side po dito sa labas at saka sa loob ng wall na to. But of course, guys, you can also include the area in this part po. 'Di ba po may ano dito, may mga anong thick ng wall gamit nyo, 0.15 o buta, lagay natin 0.15 meter. May 0.15 meter na ano tayo dyan, width, tsaka yung length. So, multiply, may dito pa na portion ng concrete. Tsaka, dito pwede nang wala kasi may door jamb naman dyan. So, kung gusto nyo isali, pwede naman. Pwede nyo ilagay dito yun. Kung isali nyo, yung sa may window. Dito nyo na lang ilagay. Hindi dito kasi isasali natin yun, di ba? Hindi natin isasubtract. So, dito. Pwede na nyo ilagay yun. Example natin, lagay natin 0.8, 1.2. Window kasi ito, di ba? Saka, hindi. Length 0.8. But yung width is, yung height, hindi na height yung gagawin natin. Yung width na ng wall, 0.15. Saka, how many? Here, and then here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi 0.8 ginawa natin dito lang yung 0.8. So, another 0.8 dito, another. So, 4. So, here is 4. And then, Dito naman na side po, dito na side. So, yung height ng ano natin, height ng window natin is 1.2, 1.2, tsaka yung thick ng ano natin, ng wall, 0.15 dito ko ilagay. Pwede naman baliktarin. Product din naman yan. So, how many dito, tsaka dito na lang. Kasi dito, window jam na yan. So, 2. Ganyan. So, copy-paste na lang yan or drag down. So, ito, magiging ano po. Ito po, drag down na lang din natin. So, yun. So, nagiging 12. Okay. So, yun, change na yung net area natin kasi nakalink yan. Kaya, yun po yung power ng Excel na nakalink. So, sabay-sabay na mag-change pag may i-change kayo dito sa main table niyo. So, yun, naging 24 na. Saka ito na yung for conventional concrete plastering, and another choice for you is the alternative smooth plastering. So, yung kaibahan nila is dito gumamit tayo ng skim coat para yun, smooth plastering. Nandito is wala. Conventional lang siya, yung ano lang talaga, pagka smooth ng gawa ng mason. Surface neutralizer lang. And then, yun, yung primer na ilalagay, ipipaint sa wall, then, puti, paano ba yan i-pronounce? I don't know. But, yun yung, ano, yung parang paste na ilalagay sa mga, para ma-level yung wall natin, hindi, sa may Tagalog sa lubak-lubas. Parang wala ng ano, para level talaga yung wall, plain, ano. So, yun, yung parang paste na ilalagay para magiging plain yung wall natin. And then this top coat, after primer, then top coat. So, thinning solvent yung i-mix dun sa ano, dito. So, per liter yung ano natin dito. So, gusto ng gallon, di-divide nyo lang yan ng 4. Diba? So, ito is 1 gallon, ito 1 gallon, dito is, wala na, sobra na lang. 1.5 gallon na siya. So, yun po. Lagay ko na lang dito is 4 liters equals 1 gallon. Okay, yun po yung conversion. Kaya na lang po mag-convert kasi naka-liters to. So, paano natin ginawa yun? I'll show you guys. Ito yung ibig kong sabihin. So, guys, I'll show you po. Ito po. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan. Hindi naman ako, sponsored. So, ito. Ito yon. Actually, may app sila. You can download. And it's very easy to navigate. And here, oh hi, this is Ben. No, I'm not using that. So, paint calculator, drag nyo lang. Pwede naman, sa Google lang ako nag-ano nito, pero may, talaga ako, may naka-install na app sa phone ko. But I'm using my laptop, so, here, yun, select your substrate. So, ano yung paint nyo? Concrete, drywall, metal, wood, floor, roof. So, yun. Di na kailangan i-ano ko pa, di ba? So, concrete. And then, application. Saan ba? Sa exterior ba? Sa plain finish or textured finish? Or interior ba na decorative and special finishes? Yung para bang ano? Parang paint yun na magiging decorative after. And then interior plain finish. So, interior textured finish. So, dito tayo sa plain. Sa exterior na lang gagamitin ko. Kaya, I have checked before. The interior and exterior, it's same lang naman. So, yun, exterior pinili ko and then new. Or if repaint yung gagawin nyo, repaint, just select repaint. So, for this, I'll select new. And new, and dito, they have choices. Acrytex, I'm sorry, should I say the... Okay, hindi ko na sasabihin. So, yun, mamili na lang po kayo. And then for this example, I'll select this. So, yun. Nag-aano rin. And so, ano na nangyari? Sana yung calculator ko. Saan ko na ilalagay? Ito. So, lagay nyo lang dito kung ano. Di ba sa computation natin, it's 2406. 2406, okay? So, delete and 24.06 square meter. And this conventional and for alternative smooth plastering and the conventional. So, for the conventional, nangyari po is 14461 liters. So, may kaibahan dito sa, meron ba? Meron bang kaibahan dito sa atin, Okay, ito, 14461, 14461, yun po. And then for the alternative, so for our alternative, ito po, 104461. Pareho lang naman. Okay. Yun. Minsan hindi sila magka-pareho kasi sa paggamit ng round off. Okay, but it's okay lang naman po. So, yun. So, you can use this, guys. I will put the link below in the description below. Okay. That's it po. So, it's, I'll show you the, they have here, check the follow standard system. Okay, quantity shown will only be an estimate. So, estimate lang talaga to, di ba? So, kung may experience na kayo, gawan nyo na lang or change nyo yung coverage. So, ilang square meter. Kasi magkaiba naman yung estimate saka yung maranasan niya na yung actual. May difference talaga. Pag palagi na kayong may experience, mas makukuha nyo yung average na square meter per gallon talaga. Mas accurate yun. So, gagamitin nyo yun. And so, here. So, 1 gallon is 4 liters. So, I have put that here para kayo na lang mag-ano. So, this liters, divide nyo lang ng 4, magiging gallon na yung answer. Oh, okay. Yun na po. So, tignan nyo lang, check nyo lang doon sa description ko, sa video na to, yung link ng ko. Okay, or you can search it on Google. That's it from yun na yun, di ba? Okay. Thank you so much. Paano na ba?